Welcome to 8 Carroll Circle in Winhall, Vermont. First we have a 7 by 7 foot entry with ski and coat rack. Then we have a 17 by 15 living room. It has a stone fireplace. It's wood burning and has a nice thick wood mantle. There's a vaulted ceiling with 2 large skylights. You have a lovely view. And if I zoom in, you can see the ski trails over at Magic Mountain. You get a little bit better view upstairs from the loft. But lovely view. There is a 14 by 11 dining area with a slider to the deck. And then the kitchen area is 14 by 12. It has a 6-foot breakfast bar area where you could fit 3 bar stools. The ceilings are 8 foot, but in this one section of the dining area, the ceilings go to 13 feet. And you have 2 extra large skylights along with some track lighting. Triple window for a little dining area. And this is the view from the front. Then you have a double window over the sink. This cabinet door is broken, but it's very easily fixable. I just need a clamp and some glue. There's a microwave, gas stove. There's propane gas here and double oven. And side-by-side fridge. And that's looking up. Granite countertops. Five-inch wood flooring, which is in very good condition. There's a 5 by 5 powder room. It has black wallpaper and black ceramic tile, which really needs to be cleaned. There's also crown molding. And the full bath next door also has crown molding. And this room is very nicely color coordinated. You have the ceramic tile surround of the jacuzzi tub. Ceramic tile flooring. And there's ceramic tile on the countertop. And these cabinets match the cabinetry in the kitchen. Triple medicine cabinet. There is a 3-foot linen closet here and a 5-foot coat closet in the entrance. And then this door here can close off the master bedroom area. So this is basically your master suite at the end of the hall here. So that separates and gives you some privacy. But you could also just close the master bedroom door and have guests use the jacuzzi tub and bath if they would like. So the master bedroom here is 14 by 12. It has a 6-foot closet, ceiling fan, and surround sound speakers. Also crown molding. You have 2 windows on the driveway side of the house, and then you have a view of the hot tub here, and a lovely mountain view. Then you back out of the hallway, and we have the bedroom to the left, living room to the right, and then the stairs. At the top of the stairs we have a loft. The loft area is 15 by 13. And again, it has a nice wood floor. And there is a ceiling fan over the stairwell. And then you have the 2 skylights here. And you have a beautiful view from the skylights of the ski trails at Magic Mountain. So just beautiful, beautiful view. And this loft area overlooks the living room. Oops. There is an 8x5 bath here. It has some very nice deer wallpaper and a beautiful wooded view. And you have the same cabinetry that matches the kitchen and other bath, with a ceramic tile backsplash. And another triple medicine cabinet. And then another bathtub here. Sorry, I'm running out of space. All right. And we have the powder blue bedroom, and this is 13 by 12. And that window overlooks the driveway area. It's beautiful because you have just wooded views all the way around. And this is a little bit lower window, which would be good for seeing things from bed. And then you have a 9-foot closet here. It's 9 foot to the left. There's a fire extinguisher hanging there. Then you have 3-foot linen closet to the right. And then you have a knee wall storage area in the attic here, which is 7 foot wide by 15 foot long. Coming back out of the closet and across the loft. Here we have a 13 by 12 bedroom. And this has actually really pretty color coordination with the bamboo wallpaper and the Berber carpeting. And you have, again, just beautiful views. You can see the ski trails there as well. And again, there's a ceiling fan and 12-foot closet with lights. And I think I forgot to mention the ceiling fan in the powder blue room. Coming back around from the living room, we have the stairs down to the basement level. And here we have a 15 by 14 family room, and I apologize, it's getting dark. And this has a 50-inch TV enclosure, and again, surround sound speakers with the crown molding. And there is a slider over there. And we have some built-in bookshelves, gas fireplace, and then 8-inch flooring. Some storage under the stairs. This is a 15 by 11 bedroom. And it has a 4-foot closet and then a bump out here for a dresser. Again, the crown molding and ceiling fan. And then this window overlooks the patio with the stone wall. Windows are kind of dirty. This room here is 13 by 10, and this could be a 5th bedroom if you add a closet. There currently is no closet. It has the glass slider, again the crown molding, no ceiling fan in this one, ceramic tile flooring, and you have room there to install a closet if you'd like, and I measured, and that would be a 5-foot closet if you install that. I failed to measure the laundry room, but it's small. You have the sink there, washer dryer, your breakers, well pump, heating unit, extra fridge, and then a 7 by 5 bath. And it's a nice looking ceramic tile and a tub also. And then no lights in these next two areas, but this is a 6 by 6 sauna. It smells really nice. The wood smells beautiful. And then there's a storage room here. It's storage utility room with wine racks, and that is 11 by 8. Patio runs, I believe, the full length of the house. I can't tell in the hot tub area underneath the snow. But you have a large patio, had stairs that go up to the next level deck. And this is the side of the house. That's the red bedroom there, the windows, and then dining room and kitchen windows. And then we have the deck above. Okay, so we have a stone wall on the patio, which is very pretty. And the patio is 7 feet wide at its narrowest point, and then it has a 12 by 11 bump out area here, which is plenty of room for a table. And those are the doors to the family room, and these are the doors to what could be a 5th bedroom. I'm not sure if you have the stone here or not. I'm assuming it probably is, but I can't tell underneath the snow. But you have the hot tub here, and then that's the driveway area up there. There's your hot tub and your beautiful view. You hear a little bit of road noise from the access road. You're 3.5 miles from Stratton ski area, which is absolutely wonderful. And here's the view from the deck. There's a little seating area here. And I've got about 3 feet of snow crunching into my feet. There's the deck. I can't remember if I videoed this earlier, so I'm doing it again just in case I didn't. I don't think I did. But just absolutely beautiful view. So to give you an idea of the neighborhood, before I get to the front of the house, those 2 houses you can see there are on Chad Circle, which is the next street over. So now we're looking from the front porch, straight ahead. That's your next door neighbor, which is a beautiful $1 million+ home. I'll get another view of that from the driveway. This is a house from the front. It looks very small from the front, but it's actually much larger when you see it from the side. You have a shed here. It's looking down the driveway. So there are 4 other houses on this cul-de-sac street. This is the gorgeous house next door. And then you have another very nice neighbor over here. And then one way down there on the corner. Sorry, that's my dog barking. She doesn't like being left in the car when Mom's working. And then a neighbor here. So this is now looking into the cul-de-sac. So again, you have neighbor there, and then our house down here. So thank you very much for watching this tour of 8 Carroll Circle in Winhall, Vermont. I appreciate your time. And my name is Lisa Friedman. I'm the broker owner of Great American Dream Realty. My phone number is 802-777-2345, and I'm more than happy to help you with this or any other properties. Have a great night.